We Are Brilliant, a STEM workbook for future leaders, is an interactive STEM workbook for students that are in 3rd to 5th grade. I wrote this book with the help of a dynamic team of illustrators and content collaborators that are a part of the Boundless Brilliance nonprofit. Boundless Brilliance is a Los Angeles-based nonprofit that is dedicated to closing the gender gap in STEM. What we do is we organize college student volunteers to go into local elementary school classrooms and deliver free of charge presentations that combine our unique empowerment model with hands-on STEM experiments. This book is the embodiment of a Boundless Brilliance classroom presentation. It's equal parts leadership building empowerment with exposure to hands-on STEM. For example, the book covers leadership topics such as teamwork, diversity, equity, and inclusion, curiosity, innovation, the importance of failure, how it's okay to make mistakes, reflecting on your values, and many, many more. It covers topics in STEM such as environmental science, engineering, math, astronomy, physics, chemistry, marine biology, and much more. The workbook is illustrated by 6 Boundless Brilliance characters. These characters are actual members of our Boundless Brilliance family. They are real-life STEM leaders. They're not famous, but they are brilliant. And they walk your student through every step of the workbook, through the scientific method and problem solving and addressing your failures and accepting your failures. Every step of the way, our narrators are there to guide you through. I wrote this book because I believe that to be in the STEM field, it's important to be able to do a lot more than just solve complicated math problems. To be a STEM leader, I believe that it's critical to be able to communicate effectively, to think both creatively and critically, and to work well with the team. Those are all skills that this workbook teaches. If you're interested in learning more about We Are Brilliant, a STEM workbook for future leaders, you can visit us at www.boundlessbrilliance.org.